Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to use black and white effect in your CapCut. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this you have to open your CapCut. Then select your picture or video. Then press on this effect option. Now click on video effect. From here you can search for black and white. So from here you can find different type of black and white effect. That's it. So this is how to use black and white effect in your CapCut. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.